Good day, brothers and sisters. We are now in the 30th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Come and join me as we reflect on Here in Heartbeats. In the Gospel today, we heard how Jesus responded and enlightened the Pharisees of which commandment is the greatest. Jesus answered in a very graceful and friendly way. This is what Jesus said to them: "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your mind, and with all your soul, and love your neighbor as yourself." My dear friends, allow me to share with you 2 points based on what we have heard from the Gospel of Matthew. These are the law of God and the love of our neighbor. First is the law to love God. Thou shalt love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. In the beginning, God created us in His own image and likeness. He created us because of His infinite love for us, the love that cannot be changed and cannot be taken away from us. To love God with all our faculties is our human obligation in gratitude of His great love for us, because He first loved us. On the other hand, to love Him with all our heart, soul, and mind personally is not only a commandment, but also it is a kind of a response to God's boundless love. Now, let us ask ourselves, is our heart belongs to God, or our heart full of hatred, greedy, and self-centeredness? The heart full of evil imaginations and worldly allurements will cause to divert our attention away from Him. A heart full of compassion, mutual forgiveness, and love. Second is the love of our neighbor as ourselves. To love God with all our heart, soul, and mind is inseparable of loving your neighbor as yourself. Perhaps Jesus did not say we have to love others, those who are famous, rich, and powerful, or love others conditionally. But rather, He said, love others the way we love ourselves. This is very basic for us. For some of us, loving our neighbor as yourself is not easy because of our human concerns. Well, today's gospel is very different from our human opinions. Jesus is urging us to love others based on our heart desire and not the knowledge level only. Truly indeed that we cannot separate our love of our God with our love of our neighbor. As what the letter of 1 John says, "My dear people, since God has loved us so much, we too love one another. No one has ever seen God, but as long as we love one another, God will live in us and His love will be complete in us." Thank you for your listening heart. I am Frater Borges Carpenteros, your kalakbay here in Heartbeats.